California
You,
roll.
you don't.
That's chicken dumpling.
What's your?
Do you have a different price?
Our most favorite. This is our favorite here.
Like it?
Right? The dynamite,
You like it?
the rice, and pad thai. And the soup is there. Strawberry mojito and passion fruit.
Passion fruit. We also have soya sauce for your.
What's up mga kaduday? So it's me again, Judith ng Abu Dhabi, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video is isa tong celebration ng 53rd UAE National Day. So papunta po kami sa mall muna, kakain muna kami ng dinner, tapos sa PF Chang, tapos pagkatapos namin kumain ng dinner, pupunta po kami sa ano nga yun? Sheikh Zayed Festival. So, isa po siyang little global village dito sa Abu Dhabi. So, malayo na kasi yung global village po dito sa Abu Dhabi. So, dito na lang kami sa Sheikh Zayed Festival. So, see you there, guys. Please enjoy watching. Very serious. Sana all. Welcome to PF Chang. Hi, Tita Ems. Welcome to PF Chang. Hello po. 5. May nag-birthday doon. Ayan, restaurant. Look at their ceiling. Ang ganda ng ilaw, oh. Sa kabila. Hi!
Hi.
Erica Jean, hi! Daddy, hi! Here, oh, your favorite dynamite. This is our favorite. Already take our order and
Few moments later.
She doesn't know her classmate.
Chicken dumplings.
What's your?
Do you have a different price?
Passion fruit And the strawberry. What is this, sister?
Strawberry mojito and passion fruit.
Yeah. Strawberry mojito and passion.
Passion fruit. We also have soya sauce for your sushi.
Our most favorite. This is our favorite here.
Like it.
Right? The dynamite.
So how do you like it?
The rice. And pad thai. And the soup is there.
I'll serve it for you actually.
Yeah. Dumating na yung food namin. So, let's eat. Erika, you eat. Wow, Erika is eating pad thai.
Huwag mo lang alam lalo sa mami.
And hi, Tita Pel.
I'm so hungry.
Hi, Tita El. Napakit lagi count, Tita El. Sarap. The best PF Chang. The best PF Chang.
Few moments later.
Tapos na kaming kumain. Ito na lang yung natira sa dami naming in-order. How's the food, Tita Fe?
Very,
Rate from 1 to 10.
Of course, 10.
How about you, Tita? 9.
If perfect mo, ano sila room for improvement?
Oh, how about you, Daddy? 9 din yan si Daddy kasi ganyan siya palagi. Sinasabihan niya yung ano. How about you, Erica? You rate the food? Rate the pad thai. You're eating pad thai, right? You rate from 1 to 10. What is your rate? What is your rate?
7.
7.
Why? Why it's 7?
For me, yes, 9. 9 or 10. Perfect kayo sa Tita Pe. Daddy, hindi ka pa nag-rate. Rate.
Wala akong
No rate for that.
Tapos na po kaming kumain sa PF Chang and now we're going to saan nga to? Sheikh Zayed Festival sa Alwat ba? Doon namin i-celebrate yung 53rd UAE National Day. So see you there. From Abu Dhabi City to Al Watba po or Sheikh Zayed Festival is around almost 1 hour po yung biyahe. Ano na po siya, private car. So, hindi ko alam kung ilang oras po ang biyahe kung magbabas lang po.
no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want
Traffic.
Learn Credit Card. Imagine a world where your dream holiday becomes even more rewarding. Avail 10% cashback on any airline or hotel booking up to 1,500 dirhams every month. That's not all. Enjoy 0% foreign currency fees on overseas purchases, so you can save more. Oh, and did I mention that you also get a fabulous 2,000 dirhams voucher from Hotels.com? SMS travel to 2626. T's and C's apply.
I'm Lewis Hamilton. Victory.
So traffic.
Traffic. Madaming pulis. Oh.
What is that girl as a boy? Where?
You mean the in here?
Oh, there. Oh, the boy ride the horse. The boy
Mga
here.
tatanda ba taglakad yun?
Tagal siguro na yun eh.
The boy ride the horse. The tunnel. You didn't see? No, it's a store. The light. It's just a symbol. Not the real one. See? The light.
So, it's the entrance.
Saan ba?
Yan ang entrance.
Saan ba ang ano?